Hello, it's September 10. Today in our history, Nicolas Zamora was born in Binondo, Manila in 1875. He was the first Filipino Protestant minister. His mother was Estefania Villegas. His father, Paulino Zamora, is regarded as the first Filipino Protestant in the Philippines. Nicolas was a grand-nephew of Father Jacinto Zamora, one of the three priests collectively called Gomburza executed. He was first educated by Father Pedro Serrano in Intramuros. Later on, he studied Bachelor of Arts in Ateneo. Then, he took up law as a master's degree for his priesthood at University of Santo Tomas, but it interrupted by war. He served as Teniente Mayor under the command of General Gregorio del Pilar. He secretly reading his Bible, and by this time he was convinced by his father's Protestant faith. Nicolas Zamora and his met in a mission led by Dr. James Rogers. After that, he was baptized. A Protestant mission to hold a service in the Philippines was led by Arthur Broch. Unfortunately, Arthur's interpreter did not arrive. Zamora became the impromptu interpreter, and he was able to attract Filipino and American with his testimony. In 1900, Zamora was ordained as deacon, continued to his passion to preach gospel as he reached part of Manila, Caloocan. 3 years after, he was ordained as elder of Methodist Episcopal Church, and he made to Pampanga and Bulacan with thousands of believers. In 1904, church members at Tondo, Manila established ang Kapisanang Katotohanan because of dissatisfied with the lack of progress of the church, as well as the dominance of American missionaries and their attitude of racial discrimination. Due to the threat of secession, they transferred Zamora to the Tondo Church in 1906. Zamora's efforts to keep the church together was successful, for by 1907 the society was disbanded. After the rejection of granting foreign field status to the Philippine Church in 1908, Zamora grew disenchanted with the way the Methodist Church was going. He saw this as nothing less than death of autonomy of Philippine Methodism. This prompted him to join the revived Ang Kapisanang Katotohanan. On 20 February 1909, Nicolas Zamora met with the society members at the house of Moises Buzon in Tondo, wherein they agreed to secede from the Methodist Church. The name of the new church, as suggested by Zamora, will be Iglesia Evangelica Metodista en las Islas Filipinas. On 28 February 1909, Zamora delivered a sermon before calling to the members to secede from the Methodist Episcopal Church. Zamora, along with other Filipino ministers who joined the schism, withdrew the respective ministries from the Methodist Church. The Iglesia Evangelica Metodista en las Filipinas was founded, making it the first indigenous Protestant church in the Philippines. Evident lack of evangelists, preachers, financial resources, and physical facilities did not hinder Zamora to carry on the preaching of the gospel. He was responsible for the initial membership campaign strategy of the church, which covered 12 provinces in the Philippines. Besides the church in Manila, Zamora had founded the churches in Bataan, Nueva Ecija, and Rizal. On the 1st of September 1914, Zamora fell ill during the height of his ministry. He was advised by his physicians to rest, but his condition did not improve. He left this message to the church leaders and members: "Abide in your faith and obey the gospel of Jesus. Love the church of the Lord as you have seen me love her. Persevere in your responsibilities as loyal Christians and servants of the Lord Jesus, for a man's honor lies in his fulfillment of his responsibilities." On 14 September 1914, Zamora died at the age of 39. He left a church of 11,000 to 11,500 members.